Alright guys, in today's video we have a kendama unboxing, but this is not your typical kendama unboxing because this is something that is super unique. These are 3D printed kendamas by a company called Kendama, started by two brothers, Devin and Nolan, and they are super unique looking, unlike anything we've ever seen before. So I am pretty excited to open this. So yeah, let's get started. This company is relatively new and they're launching on Kickstarter very soon, or by the time you watch this video, it'll probably be already launched. Let's read this note first. Hi Micah, in this package is the first set of our 3D printed kendama prototypes. We hope you enjoy playing around with them. These damas will be made available to the public in the coming weeks. As awards for contributing to our Kickstarter campaign, the campaign, if fully funded, will give us the resources we need to finalize the design and manufacturing process for mass production. Thank you and enjoy. Devin and Nolan, founders of Amadama. Alright, thank you very much. And let's check out the kendamas. Wow. And then a sticker. So there are, seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Looks like 3 serratos and 2 swords. So let's start off by opening these first. All very nicely bubble wrapped. Here's the first one in all black. Let's open this blue one. Oh, this one is unique. Whoa. And this is super unique because on the handle stall, it has a cup on it. So there's a cup on the handle stall and the typical base cup. So 2 cups. Wow. All right, let's open this serrato, this red one. Nice red colored serrato. Oh, this one is different. The cups are much different. They stick out, so is that not concave. I don't know the term for that, but I think it's like a trainer, so it helps you to practice your cups since they're not as deep, or they stick out more. They stick out obviously, so. Ooh, this is another super unique one. Look at that. There's a spike on the small cup. Just imagine the possibilities with this. And then you put this on this, and it's like you got a spike on the small cup and a cup on the base cup. Man, so many trick possibilities. That's awesome. It's actually so sick. So basically got 2 swords, and then 3 serratos. But each serrato is different. This is like a normal serrato. This has the serrato, the small cup has a spike, and then this one is like a trainer, so the cups are not as big and they stick out. Super, super unique. And then obviously this one is more like a standard sword. And then the one with the 2 cups on the handle stall and the typical base cup. So that's basically 1, 2, there's like 3, 4 setups at least. You can like mix and match them. Let me just try putting the serratos on the swords and seeing what they look like. Oh, it's a twist. Gotcha. I was so confused for a second. Okay, that makes sense. There we go. So that's what it looks like. That's crazy. It's actually crazy looking. But so many possibilities. You can like spike it. You can do like a big cup, to small cup spike, to normal spike. You can do like an earth turn from a small cup to a normal spike, back to a small cup. So many possibilities. Okay, let's try putting the normal serrato on. Okay, twists. There we go. Oh, that red and blue. It's a pretty nice combo right there. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4 cups on the Ken. And then obviously you can pair this with any tama that you want to. So like I could have paired this with like a Sulab tama right here, with one of these cushion cleared tamas. Lots and lots of possibilities. That's awesome. Let me just try that other serrato on this Ken. See what it looks like. Look at that. Let me test the tama on that cup because it's very small, or much smaller than a typical cup. So you place the tama on that, it's like very little room for error, which I guess helps you really practice those cups compared to a normal cup, which is like that. Look at that on the handle stall. Okay, so I'm looking it up, and actually this white serrato is called a challenger. So I guess since it's much harder to do, they call that the challenger. And then this sword part, the blue one, is the handle stall trainer. Like I said, helps you train on the handle stalls by having a cup there. And then this serrato is called the sworrato. So like a sword and a serrato combined. So yeah, that does it for the kendama unboxing. Again, huge thanks to the guys at Kendama for sending me this package. Super unique kendamas that are 3D printed. Nothing like anything we've seen before, and I'm super excited to pair these with tamas and just play with these and test these out. I know there's going to be so many different trick possibilities with these unique kendamas. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.